Okay, so let's do a factory reset on this AT&T AXIA smartphone. This is just if you want to clean up the system memory, remove pictures, videos, and contacts, email, and everything, all your personal information on this phone. In case that you want to sell the phone, you want to give the phone to your relatives, or just we want to delete all your information here. If you forgot your lock screen, like password, pattern, or PIN, and you are looking to factory reset the phone to remove those credentials, please select the link that I want to leave on the description of this phone, this video, so you can access to my other videos called Hard Reset AT&T AXIA. Okay, using your external keys or your external buttons, you can do a factory reset to remove password, pattern, or PIN. Okay, so let's go here in this option settings, and then you're gonna scroll and all the way down and select system. Now let's go and select reset options, and you want to select erase all data, factory reset, and just to verify again, everything stored in your phone's memory. So if you have an external memory card on this phone, you can remove it so you can save any files stored in that SD card. Or if you want to delete also or clean the SD card, just leave it on the phone. Okay, and will clean up itself. And so any downloaded applications, email addresses, passwords, contacts, web history, pictures, videos, everything is gonna be deleted in this phone. And it is very important that you know your Google account, because after the factory reset you have to confirm Google in order to proceed and get to the main screen. Okay, if you fail to confirm Google, you won't be able to access to your phone. So it is very important that you know your Google account on this backup here. This is where an email address should be on account, okay, ending with @gmail.com. That's the email address and password that you have to know so you can proceed with the factory reset. If you forgot the password, you can go to any computer and reset the password. Okay, so if you are ready, just go to erase all user data, and you have a lock screen, you have to confirm password, pattern, or PIN, and then last step you're gonna get the reset phone. Okay, reset phone, and here is where you have to confirm, and then you're gonna get erase everything. So you're ready, just after confirming your lock screen like password, pattern, or PIN, hit the reset phone, and then you're gonna get this option. Okay, so here it's gonna take a few 5 to 8 minutes for the phone to work and clean up the system, and then you are able to get to the home screen or initial setup. Okay, so just be very patient. If the phone takes longer than 8 minutes to take you to the initial setup screen and get stuck on Android or AT&T logo, that means that something is wrong with the motherboard. It needs to calibrate. So if that is the case, just remove the battery, wait 5 seconds, put it back on, and open the link of the hard reset AT&T AXIA from the description of this video. Okay, you can remove those credentials using external keys, the volume up and power key. So just follow the instructions on that video so you can hard reset this AT&T AXIA phone. Only if get stuck more than 8 minutes. Okay, so we are here in initial setup. English is automatically highlighted. If you want to use a different language, just open and select any options that you have here, and continue with the initial setup. So for now, let's go to start, and you have active AT&T SIM card. Go ahead and insert it so you can have internet or register any Wi-Fi available for you, because you need internet in order to confirm Google. But so far, because this phone we didn't have anything registered, so okay, nickname for your phone in case that you lost your phone and somebody else find it after many attempts. If they guess the lock screen, Google will consider that your phone has been compromised, and they are going to ask them to verify nickname for the phone. So just can choose a name and last name or something. Um, okay, so once you have the nickname for the phone, just go and hit the next button. Okay, protect your screen. You can protect your screen using a pattern, pin, or password, or you can check now. Not now. You can do this um, later from phone settings. Google services, I recommend you to leave the location, improve accuracy, system updates. In case you have any updates for your Android, you can go ahead and download it. And location accuracy, anything that you search on Google search engine, the first result that you're gonna get is the one on your location. So it's very important that you have these three um, on. So hit I agree, terms and conditions. Okay, and we are on main screen of this AT&T AXIA smartphone. Let me know if you have any other questions, and please subscribe to my channel so you can have access to my other tutorials about this smartphone and any other smartphone that you may need help with. Hit the like button if this information was good for you, and subscribe. Thank you.